So our problem is x plus y equal to 10 and xy equal to 50. We have to find out the value of x and y. So let's come to the solution. Here given, so we call it this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So here given x plus y equal to 10, so y equal to 10 minus x. Now from equation 2, xy equal to 50, or x 10 minus x equal to 50, or 10x minus x square equal to 50, or minus x square plus 10x minus 50 equal to 0. So divide both sides by minus 1, we get x square minus 10x plus 50 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation where a equal to 1, b equal to minus 10, c equal to 50. So two roots of these equations are x equal to minus b, so minus 10 plus minus root over b square, that is minus 10 square, minus 4a 1 c, that is 50, divide 2 into a, that is 1, or equal to, this is 10 plus minus root over minus 10 square equal to 100, minus 4 into 1 into 50, that is 200 by 2, or 10 plus minus root over 100 minus 200, that is minus 100 by 2, or 10 plus minus root over 100 into minus 1 by 2, or 10 plus minus root over 10 square into minus 1 by 2, or 10 plus minus 10 square is 10, maybe it is coming out, and root over minus 1, that will be I, complex number I, by 2 equal to, so by 2, if we divide by 2, that will come 5 plus minus 5i. So here x equal to 5 plus minus 5i. So 2, so from this equation number 1, x plus y equal to 10, so here y equal to 10 minus x. Now we get x equal to 5 plus minus 5i. So here y equal to 10 minus x. So we can get the value of y equal to 10 minus 5 plus 5i. So that is y1 equal to 10 minus 5 minus 5i equal to 5 minus 5i, and y2 equal to minus 5 minus 5i, or equal to 10 minus 5 plus 5i, equal to 10 equal to 5 plus 5i. So the pair of solutions are, when x equal to 5 plus 5i, 5 plus 5i, then y equal to 5 minus 5i, y equal to 5 minus 5i, and this is a pair of solution. And when x equal to 5 minus 5i, 5 minus 5i, then y equal to 5 plus 5i, y equal to 5 plus 5i. These are two pair of solutions. So this way we can find the solution, the values of x and y. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe my channel.